Okay, we have Ashraf and Jils here who cleared a PAP recently. Congratulations to both of you. And they were close friends and they prepared together. They cleared the examination within 24 hours of time. Of course, they want to sit together and write the exam like school days. Unfortunately, they couldn't do that, so they cleared it. So also just now they said they got 580 above target as a combination, combined effort. So one got 380s, one got 280s. So they put together, they say five above target. PMI is a surprise. PMI doesn't know that this combo offer is existing. So, okay. I want to congratulate them in the sense that the preparation was so consistent and they were sharing each other knowledge together. That's pretty important. The purpose of bringing them together here is, in the sense they were able to work together in the sense of balancing. One will cover other chapter, other can cover other chapter, or they will share some discussion points. The combined study benefit here is each one comes from different domain, each comes with a different level of experience. When they put together, you go a little faster. But the combination should be good. If a combination is not good, one will pull the other and you can't go forward because we are not in the school days. We are in the professional life. It's not easy to spare time on a consistent basis. Still, they were able to do that. I'm so happy that they did it. And once again, congratulations. Let's listen to success story from them. Before that, we have to show their certificate because seeing that the face would have been so joy. Let's see that first now. Let's go with Ashraf. Here we have Ashraf certificate. Of course, there is a Mohanlal in the picture there. So there we come, Ashraf. Beautiful certificate. Congratulations, Ashraf. Then we have a certificate of Jills here. Right, there it goes. Fantastic. Great to see both of your certificate. Each happened within a 1 day span of time. And now it's over to you. Can give some idea about how you prepared it, how the combined study worked out, how was the examination?
Okay. Thanks, Sriram and Tree Learning for this opportunity. It was successful because because of you guys, and and of course Jills. Actually, during earlier this year, during January, actually we have a project management network in our office, right, AT&T. So we got pulled in by a colleague. His name is Firoz, right, to into this. We attended the class and everything, but we did not do anything further because of a lot of office pressure and office work and personal commitments, right? Then we just let it. It was like that, and then got to know about still learning during July and of last week of July. Then I reached out to Rahul, and that's how we. Then I asked Jill, she is interested. He is also interested in joining, right? Then we together we attended the class. We were part of August batch, so it was a good sessions. We enjoyed thoroughly the complete session because sitting for 4 hours, keeping your eye open, it was really interesting, right? We never felt that boring and even for a single minute. Then, but during the time, to be frank with you, we did not open the book during the weekdays, right? We are realizing now that was a mistake we made.
Mhm.
That we should have, when you said please prepare and come, I mean, at least in advance, you should have prepared it, and then it would have been easier to connect and ask questions then and there itself. But you are available for the question and answer after that also. But still, then September we decided that okay, we will spend time together. Then we took a slot of 5 a.m. to 6:30 every day during weekdays, Monday to Friday, and this is only combined study we are talking about. We would have spent our own time flipping through and other things, like 20 minutes or an hour every day. And during weekends, around 4 5 hours together, we spend another 4 hours or so we spend on our own, going through the documents, the books. So this is how it happened, right? So even then, what we did, we bought premium version of Zoom because we didn't want that 40 minutes limit.
Oh,
So
And we need
we,
HD clarity.
yeah, we want to study in HD.
That imbibed by Sri.
Sriram, yeah.
His video is HD. So I told Ashraf, why don't we buy a Zoom? We paid,
okay.
we bought it.
Good.
And Ashraf actually forgot to mention another thing. During the midday also, we used to catch up through the office network.
Yeah.
No, to discuss,
Okay.
not to do anything, study. Just something comes in our mind. If
That's
it is
good
doubt,
actually. Yeah. Good that you do that. Okay, great. Fine. So how's
So,
the journey?
so yeah, that is to happen. Then we bought Zoom 1 month premium version, plus we bought Pretcost also along with that on the same day. So on 5th of September, we started the study together and all those things. So then second week onwards, we started taking on Prepcast itself. We started taking tests together, right? On a Zoom, we take a test. So what we used to do is one person selects it on the the Prepcast. If you are sure that it is an incorrect answer, we strike out. Right? Both agrees to that. But wherever we are not agreeing, like Gilles thinks that A is correct, I'm thinking B is correct. So one person, since I'm in sharing in my screen, I'll be choosing the answer which I'm thinking is correct, and he'll be noting down his answer. So like that, we used to do 200 questions, and at the end of session, we used to go through the all the answers, right? Then wherever some of them would be, whatever he selected would be correct. So then we would discuss why it is correct, and we go through the explanation.
Pretty interesting, Ashraf, because we call it as sometimes pair programming in software industry. They have something called pair programming.
Okay.
It works a lot because one person can see the mistake of other person. Fantastic.
Right.
Good.
Right.
and eventually some answers, our discussion went up to 10-15 minutes.
Worth it.
Why I choose, I have to justify to Ashraf. Otherwise, he will not leave me. Saying that I will question him. Like that.
Okay. That's interesting.
So we used to review each and everything, including like out of 4, one would be fake term or a made up term or whatever it is, and other 3, one of them will be correct answer. And remaining 2 also we used to go through and see it what it is, because we are learning additionally there, right? So we are learning that term also. So like that we used to do, and it takes normally 3 times of the time you took the exam. For example, if you're spending 4 hours for an exam, it takes 10 or 12 hours to completely cover everything. Then only we'll go for further studies or next test, right?
And challenging terms, we'll note the PMBOK page number.
Okay.
Again, we'll go through that. We'll read.
Right. So we open up a PMBOK soft copy then and there itself, and we used to go through that, and we just review there then and there, right?
Perfect.
Do that.
One thing here, when you do a combined test, is it a 4 hour sufficient or is it extended?
No. Exam correct. Exactly 4 hours we'll meet. We'll see the timer and we'll go like that. The pacing we kept.
Right. Sounds good.
And there also we do a skipping, right? We'll mark and move forward.
Perfect.
Because we would not spend too much time there. Then we'll come back and. But sometimes when you come back and change also, you would have selected a correct answer earlier. You would have made a mistake after correcting.
Possibly.
Those things are learnings actually, So
Perfect.
we were doing the timing also. Timing also we were just doing parallelly. I mean, we should complete within 4 hours and something like that. So because I'm a little slow in reading, but Gilles reads quickly and quicker than me, right?
So which book you prefer? Both of you tell that this book is good to go.
Okay. When I was doing that office stuff, I was going through the head first, but I did not do complete of head first or any book those days. But in this, after still learning, I started going through Rita, right? Rita. Then I'll take a test in head first. I mean chapter test, then Rita test. That's how it used to happen. I used to have an Excel file wherein mention all the
Sounds good.
He shared that with me also, and every day we used to share. This much I scored in quality, this much I scored in risk. Then again we redo.
Very good.
But the thing is, without PMBOK, you can't do anything in PMBOK.
And PMBOK is must. You need to at least read once. Then after this Prepcast, and I mean the Rita, Prepcast, and all those review, and then I started enjoying PMBOK, because I was hating PMBOK. I was hating PMBOK in the first place. Then after this, it was really connecting a lot of things.
Okay, it looked like college days love story. First you started hating and then falling in love. I'm hearing from many people, first I don't like this guy, then I started liking him. Kind of.
Actually, I loved PMBOK just after the exam. So many questions just like that came from PMBOK.
Okay.
Definition is the question. and what process this, what you are in, where you are struggling, like that questions. So
Got
PMBOK
it.
is a must.
Got it.
Yeah. In this, it is a triangle love because between me, Gilles and Bimbok. So triangle love.
Okay, pretty good, pretty good. Okay, I heard about the books. I heard about the preparation model, a number of hours you prepared, and how do you evaluate. All good. Now let's go to the marriage day, the day we go to the. So how was that?
Okay. Marriage day, yeah, it was good. Because of your teaching and a lot of guidance and everything, so we could, you know, coolly attend all the questions. The way you said, no, don't waste time in one question. So if you think that it is you're not able to answer, move on, select and flag and move on. That's what we were doing. So it was good. So. Not much of agile questions and few calculations
Okay.
and the critical path
Right.
and value management.
Right, right. So how big the questions? I know in the read title,
All 2 lines.
paragraph.
2 lines.
2 lines.
I got 2 or 3 lines maximum, and many of the answers were questions were small, but answers were very lengthy answers.
Did you use a strikeout option by any chance for the elimination technique?
I did not, because it is not that comfortable the way in Prepcast. It is because you need to do multiple click to do a strikeout. Like you have to select first and then you go up and select highlight. But in Prepcast, it is just to keep on that right click. Yeah.
I think PMI has to improve a little bit on the application side. I feel they're a little poor on the timing clock running as 240 minutes. I keep telling every time. And the strikeout option, they have to little improve that area.
Not only that, Sriram, one more thing I observed, that assume that you're reading a question, right?
Okay.
Your mouse is somewhere inside the screen.
Right.
By mistake, if you click anything, it is choosing one answer. Means it is choosing one.
Shakes, man. That's wrong, right? I have to go literally to the radio button and click it.
Exactly. Even if you keep it in the right, towards the right somewhere.
Oh.
It's selecting the first answer.
So we have a tendency, right? With the mouse, we'll keep on clicking somewhere. We do something while thinking. Okay. I think the application team, I don't know who developed it. They have to improve the process a little bit there. Okay. Okay. That's great. So, Gilles, you have an opportunity to join PMI to do the application development. Will you do?
I'll do that. We have so many things to tell them. First, a single strike, we have to do the strike off.
Okay.
And the mouse, which unfortunately I got, is sounding like a train. Sound. So I hate to click only.
And
the best advice you have given me worked well. I was answering one question, and in my mind I had a doubt. Then I went 3 questions. Still, this doubt is following me. Then I went back. I selected something, so that doubt over. I don't know whether it is correct or not, but my mind was free.
Should not think the question back. It is something like when we travel to some tourist spot, my mom will ask, did we switch off the cylinder there? After you went to 100 kilometers, she will ask whether the cylinder switch off. Either it's off or not, cylinder gone. Go to Goa, that's it. So that's the thing you have to follow. You should not think about cylinder switch off, power off. You lock the door, move out of the home, forget everything. That's it. They may each question keep moving on.
Yeah.
And go, Gilles.
Yeah, breathing exercise you told, no, in between. So Ashraf given one idea. Every half an hour we'll do. So, every half an hour systematically. So what we did, entire minute and this thing we divided in half an hours, and we wrote in the sheet which they are given to prepare. Accordingly, we have done. So we were energetic. I was over energetic. 3 hours I finished.
Good. So why I tell the breathing part is sometimes with the nervousness, the mouth will get dry a little bit. The oxygen level starts going less. We breathe only half away. If you stop the question for a second and take a deep breath, like full lungs comes up, the oxygen level goes better. Your brain thinks better. Yeah, that's a good thing. Good. Thanks for doing that. Good. And other points.
One more thing, Sriram. I to be surprising, it was surprising actually. I found one spelling mistake also in the. I mean, like sensitivity analysis. Right? It should be analysis, right? It is showing us it was written as analysis, right? Some kind of. That is also. I don't know.
They would have given a bonus mark for you.
They are giving that option. we can give, but we will have the stability
Comment.
mind to
Comment,
give
comment,
that,
yeah.
comment.
I think they have to improve. They are going to improve, I believe. Next version, I'm hearing that they're going to have match the following, a drag and drop option, fill up
Oh.
the blanks. Those kind of little more animated process going to happen. That's what I'm
Okay.
hearing. Probably they'll change in January 2. That's what the plan is. Fantastic. And the last screen when it came up, did you saw that? Congratulations. Some happy screen was there, or a small font was there?
It was small font. I was expecting
Small
bigger.
font only. Small font, and when we came out, printout handed over, that lady was smiling and giving. So we don't know what we done well. No? So I took it. I saw only 380.
Oh, worried. There are lakhs of people waiting to just pass the exam. And you people are worried about 80 now.
Because we spent that much time actually. We invested.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we troubled you also.
Not much. Actually, not much. You both prepare well. One thing I like with Ashraf is he keeps simplifying the concept and draw it and share with the team. So that's a good thing you do, Ashraf. Keep following that. Not only with the PMP, I think it's going to be your, maybe that's your nature. You do that. That's a really good one. I liked it. Please do that, because leadership is all about sharing knowledge, and leadership all about helping others. And
True,
there are
true.
many people think that they will qualify, they'll get better, they alone earn money, they alone live the life.
Right.
You won't believe. Sorry to cut short, Sri, for forgetting. So Ashraf done the exam, and the next day was my exam.
Okay.
Even he secured my parking place also with the parking guy there. And 10:30 he called and informed. 11:30 my friend will come.
Okay.
Leave a space there for him. 11:34 I reached. That guy told, okay, call came. You can leave the car here. No space. I'll park.
Pretty good. Pretty good. Thanks a lot. Really, it's so interesting to listen to both of you that as a combined study, it helps. That's really interesting, right? Pretty interesting. Okay. As a last tip, if you want to give, because December 30th was the last timeline. Now, if you say somebody's halfway prepared now, somebody
Right.
just started now, what both of you will guide how to push towards?
Yeah, in general, some takeaways. In general, first of all, many people I have seen they've not fixed the exam date yet, right? So fix the exam date. That is a goal, right? So you will start focusing based on that, right? That is a goal. That is the first thing. Then have the dreams, like as if you're getting a congratulation on the screen, and you're calling up your wife and telling that I cleared the PMP. And what I have done is I have even put a wallpaper as Ashraf Ali PMP in my laptop.
Wow.
Right. So every time you're seeing, that is on one screen, another screen. I wanted to buy a good cycle, right? So I have put that as so these two dreams were keep on, chasing me. Right?
Perfect.
And the next one is understand the concept instead of by hearting. Just understand the concept, right? The PMP, whatever you learn, don't just learn for the exam, right? The next one is stick to either Rita or Head First. Don't try to cover both. You will not have time, and two different things. And depending upon the project management experience they have, they can stick to either of these books. And read the PMBOK at least once.
Right.
At least go through it. And whenever you take any exam from a book or PDF or mock exam, analyze the questions, right? It takes 3 times the time of the actual exam time. Analyze it. And because one of the reason is the situational question, right? Because it may not be the same way they'll ask the question. You should understand the concept. For situational questions, you'll be able to answer it. And take notes on your own way, wherever PMBOK or Rita, wherever you have something, because don't believe me, the exam time for me was 8 o'clock. Security did not allow me. When I went around 7:15, they did not allow me inside. 7:30 only will allow. So then I was flipping through that. I got a couple of questions from that notes that day, right?
That's impressive.
I want to add to that. Actually, when the time, because of my shift timings change, Ashraf understood I will not get much time. So he read out all the summary of the chapters for me in an audio shared with me. That really helped me.
Perfect.
Yeah. So that summary audios. Thank you so much for that, Ashraf.
No problem. And Sriram, the similar one that has a lot of Malayalam in it. So similar things I'm planning to record in full English, and I'll put it into our August batch group.
Perfect.
So that will help them to at least listen into, because I was going through the while going to the exam also, I was playing those whatever I sent to Jills. I was playing those audios so that 30 minutes time when I reached the exam center, I could refresh myself, right?
Best.
And the next one is understand ITOs, why, what, when, how. Don't try to, because there are 1,800 or 2,000 line items, right? So you can't remember everything. Just understand why it is happening, what is happening, what tool is being used. Okay. Then find a study partner that is really, if possible. It's not never compulsory, because many people will have on their own. I want to do it on my own. It's optional. But if the chemistry between you and the study partner gels well,
right,
you are a lucky person. Like I am a lucky person because I got gels. and Pripcast, why we bought is we wanted to, because we want to share with many people is the reason being we adopted a agile methodology, because anytime we want to go through, we want to do it, because otherwise you would be a lot of people will be dependent on that. So that's the reason.
Perfect.
And on exam day, practice breathing. Right, they will give a transparent flip chart. Of 8 pages will be there. So I've noted down all the timings. Right, 240 minutes and whatever the timings. Every 30 minutes, ensure that I take some deep breathing. And had 2 chocolates before first entering into the hall and after the break. And note down formulas in a short crisp form in the transparent sheet before you start the exam. So after starting the exam time. So these are the things I thought of giving. Jills, you have anything? Please to
valuable points.
I want to give the assurance to.
You're breaking, Jills. Your net is breaking. Go ahead.
Your audio is breaking up.
And Swiss team.
You're breaking up. Can you please repeat?
No. What I'm telling, we can offer our help to your team, current students.
Sure.
If anyone need any guidance or tips, we can give. We are not like we don't want to keep PMB with us. We are ready.
Just what if they call you as a study partner now? Would you join?
I'll join. I don't want to study now.
You'll say, God, leave me one time enough, not more than this. Okay, pretty good. Hey, thanks a lot. On a weekend, you both came and it was so fun to listen, both of you here. All right. A lot of inputs I got, like about the studying together. There it solved many questions what I had in mind. Because studying together helps to clarify the questions then and there. I think that's helping a lot. No, since being a friend, it doesn't mean you have to agree answer. You can disagree.
Yes.
You can disagree in a graceful way, right? You can fight back. Hey, that's wrong. And we're not going to carry the argument with this. We're going to talk in a management perspective. I think that professionalism I liked with you, what you did. This can be a good knowledge to anybody who listening to this video on YouTube. Probably they'll get a clue that they can find a partner. Right? That's really helpful. I found many of them as a couple, they do. Husband and wife, they're doing the courses where they learn faster because each brain thinks a different perspective. Chances are it will help them a lot. Also, like the way you said about the book and the ITTOs, just to go through that, understand what, when, why kind of concepts. I like the way you rehearsed or went through the reviews content before the exam. Right? That's also pretty important. And Jills gave a valuable point in exam, one question at a time. Don't think about it. Choose some answer, move away. Don't stay there. Right? And breathing exercise. I know this is not part of PMI, but it's a thought that even I do that. Okay, when in early days when I go for an interview, before interview, I'll at least stay some time, take a good deep breathe, so my face looks fresh. I feel active. Right? I know this room is my room, but that feel you will get. So thanks, Jills, for that point adding there. Fantastic, great. Super. Anything more?
Last point. Whoever chosen a center-based exam, I would suggest if they're not familiar with that locality, please visit once before the exam. So we don't want to hurry up on that day. On that day where it is the exam center, you will get tensed.
Unwanted pressure.
Exactly. And you will not get parking because this is Bangalore center where I went. It is a one way, right?
Okay.
Once you miss that parking or building, you have to go another 3-4 kilometers and come back.
Oh.
So better you visit a week before or something like that. Whenever you have time, visit. And I actually, in fact, I've inquired a couple of questions into the center also that day, right? So if that is the case, please do that. And another thing is a lot of change management questions were there, right? A lot of thanks to Sriram, you gave input that I need to prepare that. Plus the integration and execution. This really help.
Perfect.
And thanks to Sri and thanks to really thanking Rahul also, because he is anytime without any stress he will spend time with you as if he is dedicating his time with you. His hats off to him also.
Perfect. Great.
You got a good human resource.
Good soul join us on a right mode. Great. Thanks, Jils and Ashraf, being here. It was so pleasant listening to you and a lot of inputs. Definitely, this video, many going to reach out to you in the LinkedIn and WhatsApp. So let's help each other. Let's keep going further. And good wishes for your grand success in furthermore.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Sriram. Thanks, Gil. Bye.
Thank you.